This model kit review is of the Ju-87G, or the Stuka, and this is the World War II Stuka dive bomber. There are some details of the colors needed, some pictures there of the finished model, another picture there, and some details about the plane. Another picture there. So let's have a look inside. This is a 1/48 scale model by Revell. So let's have a look at our sprues. This looks like an older mold. And the reason I can tell that is because it doesn't have the newer sprue around it. They were trying to save plastic back in the day. Here's the lower wing, and these are all raised panel lines and really no rivet detail. That'll need to be filed off there. The Revell and China 1968 is when this was this mold was made. And then this looks like our elevator and stabilizer, our cockpit. We've got two pilot figures here with some level of detail. We do have quite a few mold lines. We've definitely got some areas of flashing here. Decent sized little plane. Here we have our wheel hubs and our wheels with some nice detail there. Here's the pilot's arm. As you can see there, we've got some flashing there, control columns, some pitot tubes, and then not sure what the rest of this is. We'll have to look and see. That might be the reflector for the mirror. And let's have a look. Here are the tops of the wings. Here's our propeller, which is molded in with the spinner. Unfortunately, it's got that mold line right there. It'll need to be sanded down. And then this might be our maybe the wheel well cover or something. We'll have to look and see what that is. Here's the inside of the fuselage. We've got some detail there, and again some over there. The tail wheel is molded in. We do have some flashing there. Here's the outside, also with our exhausts molded in. And there's our gun, instrument panel. Here we have air intakes and wheel well covers over there. Let's have a look at instructions and decals. So here are the decals, and nicely printed. These have obviously have been updated, but we have some little details there. And so here's the details about the plane, and there are the colors needed. So we start off with the cockpit, and then next we build the area for the propeller and radiator intake. We build the rest of the cockpit, put the fuselage together. And it says do not use the decal in water, but use glue. No, I think we'll just end up painting it. Drilling out some holes there, and then putting the wings together. Here the wings are going together. Wheels in the wheel hubs. Air intakes there for radiators, and then I guess that's what those are for. It stabilizes around the cannons. And the pylon grips there. These are little actuators for the flaps to slow the plane down while it was diving. And then these are actually not wheel well covers. These are to stabilize the stabilizer or elevator. And pitot tubes. Canopy goes on there. And gun. And then canopy. Open and closed. There's the decal and paint guide. And actually, still inside here is the canopy, which is fairly well molded. It's quite nice actually.